Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video. And I'm coming to you on this very hot 95-degree V8 Thursday, unboxing some more dope-ish. You already know what the time it is. Now, as y'all can see, we got 3 boxes in the back and a slight quick package on the top. And I may talk about a couple other things, some sample summer stuff that we're working on, but we don't really have dates and stuff yet, so I might have to just save that for a little bit later. But at least for today, we got 2 early pickups, one that's dropping a lot sooner than I thought, and then another one that I had picked up early off of StockX, and it actually just landed today. I was hoping it was going to come in a little bit earlier, but unfortunately it didn't. So without further ado, let's go ahead, let's hop into these boxes. Now, like I said, I got a quick party pack from the homies over at Privé, some new 10 deep spring and summer stuff, and they actually have a code on their site right now, 15 back. That gives you 15% off site-wide, so not just on anything that I just showed right here, but anything on the site. 15% off, 15 back. I try to look out when I can, so blam, there you go. Now, right here we have the Fallout satchel coming from 10 deep. You guys know I like my side bags. I don't have, or my, as I used to call them, the clout pack. I didn't have any yellow clout packs, so this was my first one. I dug this. Maybe I just liked it because he had the Hazard or the Fallout logo on the back, but the front is just yellow and black. The shape is a little bit different, and once again, I didn't have a yellow and black clout pack, which surprised me because of how much I wear something like my yellow Palace hat. I wear yellow surprisingly a lot. So blam, the Fallout satchel. I don't have any B-roll this time, guys, just because this is a little bit off the cuff, a little bit quicker, and I need to get to doing the reviews on these shoes. Now, I also have this right here, which is the radiated long sleeve, all over black, has a 10 deep logo and like that fire design right here. Have your Hazard logos on both sleeves. This is a long sleeve tee, and then towards the back, the bigger 10 deep says burn it down right here on the bottom, and basically just saying like the t-shirt is like hazardous, like a cautionary label would be. So I have this radiated long sleeve, and then I also have the short sleeve, which I really dig. It's based around the same ideas as the long sleeve. You just have the all over black, you have that Hazard symbol once again, and then you have 10 deep down here on the bottom of the tee. So like I said, all those pickups, all this new stuff was from Privé. Use code 15 back and you get 15% off your full order, and not just what I showed, site-wide. So blam, there you go, help y'all get some more summer blessings. Now next up we got 3 boxes, and I'm gonna get into this one first because y'all already know what's dropping this weekend. I honestly thought that these dropped next weekend. I guess I was just getting on my June Yeezy release date. Since there are 11 Yeezys dropping in June, I was getting them a little bit mixed up, but some people are dropping them like tomorrow, Friday, some people are dropping them Saturday. It's a lot of different stuff going on with these, but definitely a highly anticipated Yeezy for those wanting some of the more simple colorways back. You have the Yeezy 700 size 12, and y'all already know what's dropping, and y'all already know how I feel about all these Yeezy dropping in June. I had to go ahead and grab the triple black or all black, the Vanta joints, the Vanta Yeezy 700 V2. Y'all know, man, I like these way more than the utility blacks. I think the V2 fits better, which is another reason I like a lot of the V2 colorways over some of the original 700 colorways. And as far as, I guess you would say, essential 700 colorways, I feel like the Vanta and the original Static are going to be like the best ones to go for. Like if I had only a couple 700 V2s, it would probably be the Wave Runners, the Static V2s, as well as the Vanta black pair of the V2s as well. As far as quality and craftsmanship goes, it's pretty standard, it's pretty regular. It's what you would expect from this particular colorway or this specific model. And yes, they still do retail at 300, and y'all know how I feel about that. I mean, you're either gonna pay it or you're not. Now, I'm just happy to have my pair, have them secured, and not have to worry about it, because this is going to be a great shoe being in all over black for the summer, if you want to wear them in the summer, but also the fall, because like I said, I think these 700s, they really look best with like Calabasas sweatpants, nice cozy wear. Really goes well with shoes like this. So the 700 V2, that's just the start of the video. We're going ahead, blam, there is one of the early pickups, 700 V2, the Vanta pair, and I'll be getting this review out to y'all soon. I really wanted to kind of get it out to y'all tonight, but trying to drop this and that video and the review, it might be a little hard, so it'll probably be dropping. If I can get out here and do this on feet, I want to drop that joint like 7 a.m. in the morning. So be looking for this review, if you're wondering, very soon, probably within the next 12 hours or so. So let me go ahead and put this box back. That was just the first quick pickup. Vanta blacks, yes, I did get them, and the review is going to be coming very, very soon. Now I have 2 shoes right here. I'm gonna save this one for last because I got this off of StockX. I bought them on the 20th and they just got here today. So it took like 10 days in total for me to buy the shoe. The seller shipped the shoe to StockX, it get verified, and then come to my house. It took them 10 days. And I'm way more excited about this shoe right here than I am this shoe. I just kind of wanted to see these in person. I knew that a lot of people might want a review on it, so that's why I grabbed it. And when I open this box up and when y'all see this shoe, I feel like it's gonna feel like when the Toro Red joints came out. What was that, like 2011, 2012 maybe? That's when I feel like this shoe would have really thrived. It's not a horrible shoe, it's not the worst shoe ever, but I just think that back in those times, it may have done a lot better, but I think people are still gonna be feeling it. Let's go ahead and get into this Nike box. Y'all see that really dope Jumpman Jordan box? This is a fire box. It comes with those unions that I still don't have. One day. Now let me go ahead and take this out of the box. And like I said, these dropped on Sneakers as a shock drop. I was sitting at the beach. I was on my phone chilling on the sand because I wasn't trying to get in the cold water. And blam, I got them with ease. Now, other than the box, these do say Air Jordan 6 Retro SP Reflective Silver, Infrared Black, and Reflect. And the retail on these is $225. And this actually has, I think this is the new QR code label now that I'm looking at it. So yes, this label does have a QR code on it. I'm not sure if that is usable yet. Probably gonna be usable with the Nike Sneakers app, but it does have that feature on it. It does come with a nice card right here because this is from the Reflections of a Champion pack. It says the Air Jordan 6, 7, and 8 are 3 of the most iconic silhouettes in the history of sneakers. This season, Jordan Brand celebrates each mile by delivering premium reflective materials and detailed craftsmanship inspired by MJ's historic 1991 through 1993 championship run. 3 rings, 3 finals MVPs, and 3 scoring titles. This instant classic will leave you saying it's gotta be the shoes. Cool storytelling, the 3-peat. I get it. Now, let's go ahead and get into the actual shoe itself. This is the Air Jordan 6 and all over reflective. So the whole upper is not, well, it said, I'm pretty sure it says reflective material instead of 3M on purpose. So I'll just say reflective material for right now. You do get the Nike Air on the back, which is dope, and they're cool. They're definitely like, you can tell it's like a special sneaker. The all over 3M upper to me just screams like, okay, this is not regular, this is special, and I get it. And I still feel like the 6 is the best out of the pack with the 6, 7, and 8. I told y'all that I was kind of disappointed that the 7s were all over reflective. I thought it was just a regular pair of Cardinals, and I was really hoping that they were going to do the Cardinal 7s some justice this time, because I've copped the Cardinal 7s every retro, I feel like, but either the quality wasn't there. Well, that definitely was the case with the last ones. The quality just wasn't there and I let them go. Just like with the French Blues, I think the French Blue 7s, the quality was bad as well, and I went ahead and returned those to the store as well. And then to the 8s, like, I'm good. Like, I think the 6, it works, but the 7 and 8, I'm just not a big fan of. And y'all know how much I love my 8s. But Reflections of a Champion pack, we have the 6 right there, and I'm sure there's gonna be some really dope IG photos of these posted. You know what I mean? They're gonna light up, they're gonna do the job, and I honestly can't be mad at you if you dig these. These with a nice pair of black denim, they gonna pop, bro. They're definitely gonna pop. They're gonna catch some eyes, they're gonna break some necks for sure. It's loud, but on the 6, I feel like it's loud in the right way. The 7 and the 8, not so much. Maybe the 8 more than the 7. But yeah, Reflections of a Champion pack. I was able to get the Air Jordan 6. I will be doing a review on these very soon. The all over, I mean, it's basically an infrared 6 with a 3M or reflective material upper. You guys know I love the infrareds. I'd rather have the infrareds than these, but these are cool as well. They're cool, but I'm not super sold on this colorway. Now going ahead and tossing these back in this box, we can finally get into the last shoe, and the one that I'm probably most excited about because I've been seeing this shoe, I've been wanting this shoe. It's finally here. Go ahead and toss this right there. And I went ahead and just, you know, copped them off of StockX early. When I copped them, I paid about $373 because I felt like the price wasn't gonna really drop too crazy from there. I haven't checked today to see if the prices did drop crazy, but at the time, they were holding pretty steady in my size at the $360 to like $345 mark. So I didn't really feel like I got gypped at all. I knew what I was paying, I knew what I was doing, and I thought that was probably the best time to get in on the shoe. I just wish they would have came a little bit bit earlier. And like I said, they did come from StockX. Got some bubbles, some bubble wrap in there as well. And let's go ahead and take these bad boys out of here. Go ahead and toss the box, and we have an all over orange Nike box. Now, I haven't even seen the box yet, so this is kind of like a first for me. You guys see the Nike all over orange special box, Sacai LDWaffle, and of course this is the Sacai and Nike collab. Now, I'm not gonna say I'm proud of it, but I definitely slept through the online sneakers release this morning on accident. So I didn't even try to get them on sneakers. I just slept, bro. I just slept. I really wish I would have been up to at least try for the Blazers, to get a pair of Blazers in hand to see how I really like those, because those ones have been pretty interesting to me. I was kind of losing interest towards the release because I was really liking the waffle, but the Blazer, it's not bad, and I feel like once I see more on-feet pictures, I'll like it. But this just has like the StockX stuff. It has my receipt or like order number tag right here, your StockX authentication, blam, snap a pic, all that StockX stuff. Anyways, let's get to the shoe. Go ahead and take these out. You have the Sacai paper on the inside. Flip this open, and yes, in a size 12. I mean, I feel like this is definitely on that weird shit. This is definitely like some bullshit, as some people would say. But I really like these, man. I really like these. I mean, depending on how they look on feet, it might be a top sneaker of 2019. Might be one of those, depending on how I feel once I put them on feet. I know a lot of people aren't gonna like these because they're weird. They're definitely out there, but I just really love this extra piece of Phylon or foam or whatever this material is. The shoe just is weird, but I'm fucking with it. Now, they do come with white laces as well. I think orange laces would be dope, but they do have double lacing in here already, so it's like a white and a gray. Lacing these joints up with two different sets of laces, now that's gonna be annoying. And I'm one of those type of people that is that lazy that they might just stay in there for that reason. But I think like maybe like black and orange, or yeah, I think some orange on the laces wouldn't be bad. Maybe it'd be too loud. I don't know. The white and gray is not bad though. Now I want y'all to let me know. Did you guys hit on this sneaker? Did you try for this sneaker this morning? I was really surprised to see how far the prices had dipped beforehand release. I know people that were asking for a rack, 800, 900, a lot for this sneaker. And then I went and go check on it, and they were going for like 3 something, and I was like, 3 something? I thought they were just like 8 something a week and a half ago. So I waited a little bit, saved a bit of money, and unfortunately slept through the sneakers release. But in the end, I knew I was getting my sneakers, so I was sleeping I was resting easily on these. And with this last pickup, that is it. Listen, I have a lot of work to do over this next couple of days. Honestly, before I even edit this video, I'm probably about to go outside and shoot the on feet for these Vanta black joints, so I can go ahead and get this review out to you guys. So with that being said, man, much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah, blah, of course. Hold on, I got the Sacai guys right here. Bullet RC, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Y'all let me know what was your favorite pickup out of this video, or if they were all basura, all trash. Yeah, that's it. I need to get out of here. I need to get this review done. I'm gonna see y'all next time though. Drop a like on this bit too. Peace.